Jamaica, land of reggae, sunshine, and jerk chicken. It's a place where time seems to slow down. The Caribbean sun warms your skin, the scent of spices fills the air. You might be tempted to just relax on the beach, sip on a cocktail, but Jamaica has so much more to offer than just relaxation. It's a place with a rich culture and history, and what better way to experience it than by immersing yourself in it? Forget your all-inclusive resorts, forget the tourist traps. We're going off the beaten path. This is about experiencing the real Jamaica. We're talking about diving deep into the heart of Rastafarian culture, a culture of peace, love, and unity. This isn't just a holiday, it's a journey, a chance to learn about yourself and the world around you. Ready for an adventure? Let's go. Tucked away on the lush green hills of Jamaica lies a hidden gem. This is not your typical hotel. This is Jamaica Inn, a place where you can immerse yourself in the vibrant world of Rastafarian culture. This isn't just about the accommodation, it's about the experience. Jamaica Inn offers a unique opportunity, a chance to connect with the Rastafarian community, learn about their history, beliefs, and way of life. Here, you're not just a guest, you're a student, a traveler seeking knowledge and understanding. Jamaica Inn opens its doors to those who want to learn, to experience something different. Are you ready to step outside your comfort zone, to embrace a new perspective? Then pack your bags. We're about to embark on an unforgettable journey. Jamaica Inn wasn't always about Rasta culture. It started as a humble guest house, back in the 1950s. A small team, passionate about sharing Jamaica's beauty, ran it. They welcomed everyone, travelers seeking adventure, writers seeking inspiration. Word spread. The guest house became popular. Its location was idyllic, nestled amongst lush vegetation, overlooking the azure Caribbean Sea. But something was missing. The owners wanted to offer more than just a beautiful view. They wanted to share the soul of Jamaica. Then came a chance encounter. A local Rastafarian elder visited the guest house. He shared stories of his culture, its history, beliefs, and practices. The owners were captivated. They saw an opportunity, a way to offer something truly unique. They decided to integrate Rastafarian culture into the guest house experience. It wasn't just about adding a few Bob Marley posters, it was about creating a genuine cultural exchange. And so began Jamaica Inn's journey into the heart of Rastafarianism. Jamaica Inn isn't just a place to stay, it's a place to learn, to grow, to connect. The owners believe in responsible tourism that benefits both visitors and locals. That's why they partnered with the Rastafarian community. They created a space for cultural exchange, a place where guests can learn about Rastafarianism firsthand, from the people who live it every day. It's about breaking down stereotypes, fostering understanding, building bridges between cultures. The hotel's design reflects its ethos. Natural materials, local craftsmanship, everything blends harmoniously with the environment. It's a far cry from the concrete jungles of typical resorts. Jamaica Inn is about sustainability, respecting the land, honoring its history. It's not about luxury, it's about authenticity, about experiencing the real Jamaica, the Jamaica that exists beyond the beaches and bars. Section 3. The heart of the matter. At Jamaica Inn, community is key. Guests are encouraged to interact, to share stories, and to learn from each other. It's a place where strangers become friends, where cultural barriers melt away. Every evening, the communal area comes alive with music, laughter, and conversation. Guests can join drumming circles, learn traditional dances, or simply relax and soak up the atmosphere. Food plays a central role. Jamaica Inn serves delicious home-cooked meals using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Guests can savor the flavors of Jamaica and learn about the importance of food in Rastafarian culture. It's more than just a hotel, it's a community, a family, a place where you can be yourself and connect with others on a deeper level. Section 1. Wisdom of the Elders. At Jamaica Inn, learning is a two-way street. Guests don't just passively receive information, they engage in lively discussions. They sit down with Rastafarian elders, listen to their stories, and absorb their wisdom. These elders are the keepers of knowledge. They've seen it all and have lived through Jamaica's history, from colonial times to independence. They share their perspectives on life, love, and spirituality. They talk about the struggles faced by their community, the resilience of their culture, and the importance of unity and love. It's a humbling experience, a chance to learn from those who have walked a different path. Guests leave these encounters with a newfound appreciation for Rastafarian culture, for the wisdom of elders, and for the interconnectedness of humanity. Section 2. Living the life. Jamaica Inn isn't just about observing Rasta culture, it's about experiencing it firsthand. Guests are invited to participate in daily rituals and to learn the practices that shape Rasta life. They can join morning meditation sessions, connecting with nature and finding inner peace. They can learn about the importance of etal cooking, preparing meals with fresh natural ingredients, nourishing the body and soul. Guests can participate in Nyabinghi gatherings. These are traditional Rasta ceremonies filled with drumming, chanting and prayer. It's a powerful experience, a chance to connect with something bigger than oneself. Through these experiences, guests gain a deeper understanding of the Rasta way of life, its emphasis on community, spirituality, and respect for nature. Nature's classroom. Rastafarianism has deep ties to nature. The land is seen as sacred, a source of life and healing. Jamaica Inn encourages guests to explore the surrounding environment. Guided hikes take guests through the rainforest. They learn about medicinal plants, the uses of different herbs, and the interconnectedness of all living things. They visit nearby waterfalls, places of natural beauty and spiritual significance. They can swim in the cool, refreshing waters, feeling a sense of renewal and connection to the earth. These experiences highlight the importance of environmental conservation. Guests learn about the impact of human actions on the planet. They leave with a renewed sense of responsibility to protect the natural world. Melodies of the soul. Music is an integral part of Rastafarian culture. Reggae music in particular holds a special place. It's a form of expression, a tool for social commentary and a celebration of life. At Jamaica Inn, guests are immersed in the world of reggae. Live music performances fill the evenings. Local musicians share their talent, their passion, and their stories. Guests learn about the history of reggae, its roots in Jamaican culture, and its message of peace, love, and unity. They dance the night away, lost in the rhythm, feeling the power of the music. Reggae isn't just music at Jamaica Inn, it's a way of life, a soundtrack to the guests' journey of discovery and cultural immersion. Paradise Lost, Jamaica. The name conjures up images of white sand beaches and crystal clear water. But there's a dark side to paradise. The tourist traps, the all-inclusive resorts. They promise you the world, but they often deliver a pale imitation. You're herded like cattle from one buffet to the next. Your interaction with local culture, limited to a few souvenir stalls. You might as well be anywhere in the world. The same generic experience, the same plastic smiles. Sure, you can get a tan. You can sip cocktails by the pool. But are you really experiencing Jamaica? Are you connecting with its people, its culture, or are you just another face in the crowd? These resorts are like gilded cages. They keep you comfortable, but they also keep you isolated from the real Jamaica, the Jamaica that's waiting to be discovered. Jamaica Inn offers a different path, one that goes beyond the beaches and bars. It's about experiencing Jamaica from the inside out, not just observing it from a distance. Here, you're not a tourist, you're a guest, welcomed into the community, invited to share in its traditions, to learn from its people. It's a humbling experience. It challenges your preconceptions. It opens your mind to new ways of seeing the world. Forget the staged entertainment of resorts. At Jamaica Inn, the entertainment is real. It's the rhythm of the drums, the stories told around the fire, the laughter shared over a home-cooked meal. It's about connecting with people on a human level, breaking down barriers, building bridges of understanding. It's about realizing that despite our differences, we share more in common than we think. While resorts offer sanitized versions of local culture, Jamaica Inn dives headfirst into the real thing. It's not always pretty, it's not always comfortable, but it's always authentic. You won't find karaoke nights or poolside discos here. Instead, you'll find Nyabinghi gatherings, traditional Rasta ceremonies filled with drumming, chanting and prayer. It's a spiritual experience, a chance to connect with something ancient and powerful. You'll also have the opportunity to learn about Rastafarianism, not from textbooks or documentaries, but from the people who live it every day. You'll hear their stories, their struggles, their triumphs. It's an education you won't find anywhere else. It's raw, it's unfiltered, it's real, and it will stay with you long after you've left the shores of Jamaica. Many people associate Rastafarianism with reggae music, with Bob Marley, with dreadlocks and marijuana. But there's so much more to it than that. It's a complex and multifaceted culture, with deep spiritual and social roots. At Jamaica Inn, you go beyond the stereotypes. You learn about the core principles of Rastafarianism, the importance of self-reliance, of living in harmony with nature, of fighting for social justice and equality. You see how these principles are put into practice in the daily lives of the Rastafarian community, in their commitment to sustainable living, in their strong sense of community and mutual support. It's an eye-opening experience. It challenges your assumptions. It makes you question your own values and beliefs. Section 2, Seeds of Knowledge. Rastafarian culture has often been marginalized, misunderstood. Jamaica Inn provides a platform for its preservation, for its transmission to future generations. Through its educational programs, guests gain a deeper understanding of Rastafarian history, beliefs, and practices. They learn about the struggles faced by the community, their fight for recognition and respect. This knowledge is empowering. It breaks down stereotypes. It fosters empathy and understanding. It helps to create a more just and equitable world. Guests leave Jamaica Inn not only with memories, but with a newfound appreciation for a culture that is often overlooked. They become ambassadors for Rastafarianism, sharing what they've learned with others, planting seeds of knowledge that will hopefully blossom into greater understanding. The Jamaica Inn experience is transformative. It's not just a holiday, it's a journey of self-discovery, a chance to connect with something bigger than yourself. It's about stepping outside of your comfort zone, challenging your preconceived notions, opening your mind to new possibilities. You leave Jamaica Inn with a new perspective on life, on culture, on yourself. You see the world through different eyes, with greater empathy and understanding. The lessons learned at Jamaica Inn stay with you. They take root in your heart. They inspire you to live a more conscious and compassionate life, to make a difference in the world, to be the change you want to see. Most holidays you bring back souvenirs, magnets, t-shirts, a tan that fades faster than your memories. But a trip to Jamaica Inn, you bring back something far more valuable. You bring back a new perspective, a deeper understanding of a culture so different from your own. You've shared stories with Rastafarian elders, listened to their wisdom, felt the rhythm of their music move your soul. You've tasted the earthiness of Ital food, hiked through lush rainforests, and felt a connection to nature you never knew existed. These experiences, they stay with you. Long after the tan fades, you return home changed, more aware, more open-minded, and with a newfound appreciation for the beauty of cultural diversity. That's worth more than any souvenir. Young adventurers, listen up. Jamaica is calling. But not the Jamaica of all-inclusive resorts and staged reggae shows. Venture beyond the tourist facade. Discover the real Jamaica. Go off the beaten path. Seek out places like Jamaica Inn, places that challenge your perceptions, that open your mind to new ways of seeing the world. Embrace the unexpected. Engage with the local community. Learn about Rastafarian culture firsthand, from its history and beliefs to its music and food. It's a journey of discovery, a journey that will stay with you long after you've returned home. So ditch the tourist traps. Pack your curiosity and an open mind. The real Jamaica awaits. Rastafarianism teaches us that we are all interconnected, that we are all part of something bigger than ourselves. It's a message of peace, love, and unity. A message that resonates deeply in today's world. Jamaica Inn embodies this message. It's a place where people from all walks of life come together to learn, to share, to connect. It's a reminder that despite our differences, we are all human beings, sharing this planet we call home. So whether you're drawn to Jamaica for its music, its culture, or its natural beauty, Remember the message of one love. Embrace the spirit of unity and respect, and let your journey be a force for positive change in the world.